Greetings. We're doing a little demonstration here on the efficacy of the iTrumpRF anti-radiation cell phone case, available at iTrumpRF.com. We're using an electrosmog meter by Cornet Microsystems, and attached to the meter itself is a near-field meter probe. The reason why we're using a near-field meter probe is because we're measuring near-field radiation or cell phone radiation. So what I will be doing is placing a regular business card on top of the phone itself after I make the phone call to maintain the privacy of the person I'm contacting. And here we go. So the phone is engaged right now, and we have to put this right on top, and now we're going to take a look at the level of radiation that's being emitted by that phone. So we have 31 megawatt per square meter. The valuation is going to change there because of just the nature of microwave radiation. And as you can see there on the graph, it's quite full. And on the right hand side you see that red light flashing in that yellow zone. Anything in the yellow zone or in that red zone denotes a high level of radiation, microwave radiation. Okay, so there we go. And now what I'm going to do is take that off, and I'm going to just close this case and put this right back on top. Same position, and we'll see the value drop considerably. 0.19, 0.2. And you can also see it's in the green zone all the way down there, the bottom, and the graph obviously has changed. What I'm going to do also is open the case back up, and I'm going to take some measurements in various locations here on the phone itself. So here's one, and I'm moving it around the face of the phone itself, and then that jumped up pretty high, 123, and moving it in the middle here, a little lower, and that should be the highest point there we found before. So it jumped all the way up into the red zone with the light, and the graph is nearly full. Now what we're going to do is just show you right there where it's been positioned on the phone itself, and we're going to close the case, and we're going to take that measurement again. It was 258, so it's dropped down to 258 down to 2, and the graph has changed, and obviously the level of radiation has also changed. But that's not where you normally would have the phone next to your head. Where you'd normally have the phone is right there. So that's the measurement that was probably more indicative of the value of this case that we have. And that dropped down to 0.17, right around that. And you can see the light is in the green zone, and the graph obviously has changed. We're going to do it one more time. And so phone's still engaged, and the value this time went up to 45. Again, you can see it's really close to the red zone. It's hugging it, and the graph has changed. And now we're going to close the case itself, take another reading, putting it in the same position, each time we're doing it. That's the best way to do it. And this has dropped down all the way down to 0.23, and it's in the green zone right there as far as level of radiation, and the graph has changed dramatically. So there we go. We feel like this is a really good product, and we wouldn't be selling it if we didn't think it was. We're using it ourselves, of course. And if you'd like more information, you can go to iTrumpRF.com and check out this case for yourselves. Thank you very much.